Hello students, I am Mrs. Yasvinere, Assistant Teacher, Ghate S. Vidyalay and Junior College, Uchandai, Muktainagar. Welcome to our class, Standard 8, Subject English. Today we will solve the remaining question of a workshop of our lesson 2.4 Excuses a Skit. Here we have a second sub-question of a question number 3. Did the teacher believe Ritesh's stories? How do you know that? Answer: no, the teacher did not believe Ritesh's stories. Every time after his false excuse, she remarks something mockingly and ironically to suggest to Ritesh that his excuses were false and he had made up the stories. Third, why did the teacher suggest that Ritesh should enter the story writing contest? Answer: the teacher suggested that Ritesh should enter the story writing contest because she wanted to bring to his notice that whatever excuses he had made were false, and she knew it. So teasingly, she suggested him to enter the story writing contest. Fourth question is here: what, according to you, is the best way to correct children who are regularly late to school? Answer: first and the most important way to correct the latecomers is to make them aware about the importance of time in our life. Teachers should call their parents and ask them reasons of his or her late coming and ask them to take care of their late coming. Teacher can convince such students how they lose their studies by coming late. Question number 4. Report the following in indirect speech. First, Ritesh: may I come in, madam? Answer: Ritesh requested the teacher if he could come in. Second, Mrs. Sen: Ritesh, you are too early for the second period. Answer: Mrs. Sen told Ritesh that he was too early for the second period. Third, Ritesh, I had left my bag at the shop. Answer: Ritesh said that he had left his bag at the shop. Question number 4. Remaining questions are here. Fourth, Ritesh: I am sorry, ma'am. Answer: Ritesh told the teacher, in bracket madam, that he was very sorry. Fifth, Mrs. Singh: there's a story writing competition. Answer: Mrs. Singh said that there was a story writing competition. Next question, question number 5. Imagine there is a story writing competition in your school. Frame a notice about the same to be put up on a notice board. Cover the following points. Here some points are given to cover in the notice. First, Name of the competition. Second, at what levels? Third, date, time, and venue. Fourth, duration fixed for writing the story. Fifth, points to be considered while judging winners. Six, prizes. And seven, contact person for participant entries. Now we have answer for our question number 5. Here is a notice for story writing competition. Our school has organized a story writing competition for school children. The competition is for the group of standard first, third to fifth, and second, ninth, and 10th. You may write any story of your choice, but it must be of your own. Any already published story will not be entertained. The competition will be held in our school assembly hall on Tuesday, the 14th of August 2018. Duration of the story writing will be 1 hour. There is no limit of words. Writing papers will be provided by school. The last date of receiving entries is 8th of August. 3 prizes will be considered for each group of students. External judges will judge the winning stories. Points while judging stories will be: first, quality of language; second, style; third, story writing skill; fourth, imagination; fifth, novelty or newness of the story. Contact Mrs. Gulambe Madam for giving your entries. Entry forms are available in the school office. Hurry up. Participate enthusiastically. Secretary, School Culture Committee. Here we completed all questions of our workshop. Thank you.